Hey, what's up guys? I'm out here cleaning today, so I organized my entire toolbox. This one on this side. So we cleaned it up. Well, we put a shelf into so I could put my Rockford Fosgate thing up, but that's not the only reason. I got remotes up here for Roku and shit. But there, we got wire things there. We got that hung up. We got all this cleaned out. This is all organized. Okay, all the drawers. Got those. This. Then the small sockets and small wrenches. Or whatever them things are. Medium. With all the extensions and all that bullshit. Large. Okay. Torx bits too. Organized all this. Okay. Down to the next one. There's stuff in here for pulling and plastic clips and shit. My rivet guns. All kinds of wrenches and vice grips. Next, impact sockets and some ratchets, socket ratchets. These. Okay. And impact gun and all that shit. But hold on. Okay, back over to this side. I got multimeter, goggles, top of the box, your tape measure, and all your odds and ends that you need to get to quick. Extra sockets, pipe cutter, extensions. We got hex keys, Allen keys, or whatever. This is just all extra shit. Breaker bars, and got a cutter over here, hacksaw cutter. Top of this drawer is very nice and neatly organized. Okay, second drawer this side. There's another, is that a rivet gun? Yeah, we'll take this over with the other rivet gun. I don't need it over here. Put all the rivet guns together. And what I do is with each one I have an extra ratchet in the corner there if I break one. So, got special socket, tape, big sockets for nuts, wheel hubs. All these are organized. I forget what this is for. What the fuck is this for? Oh, clamps. Those clamps. Okay. Oh, and you got little wrenches. Shit that I don't use too often. I got more wrenches than I know what to do with. And then we got vice grips here. Big wrench. You know, odds and ends, screwdrivers. And then down here we got drills. All kinds of drill things. Got those chisels. What's this? More stuff. Okay. Is that another rivet gun? No. They're cheap ass socket things. Anyways, that's a little look through my toolboxes. And that is a this is a Craftsman roller. Pretty much the same thing that's over here. That's a Westward. And then I got tools up here. I don't know if you can see it. This is where I keep the big dogs. Stuff I can't fit and other things. Alright. Okay, back to this toolbox. Alright, I'm going to keep cleaning. Keep cleaning shit up. Make it look nice. Looks so much better. Peace.